Do it again, Hill. Hi, Evelyn. Yeah. Make Evelyn laugh. No, don't throw that at... Go. Wait a minute. I'll show it to you after we're done. Here, go make Evelyn laugh. Go make Evelyn laugh.
Come here, Hill.
Come back in. Come back over here where you made Evelyn laugh before.
Go get her toy.
Hi, Evelyn. Don't throw it. All right, make Evelyn laugh.
He'll drop it and then make her laugh.
Do your scream, Hill.
Can you scream it?
Do it again. Go do it again. Go do it again.
Come here. No.
Come this way.
Come over here.
Drop it. Don't. You're cruising. You're cruising.
No, stay over here. Drop it on the floor.
Drop it. Now,
One, you see?
do your squeal, Hill.
Do you squeal? Can you squeal at her?
Go do it again, Bubba. Go do it one more time.
Drop it. No, just drop it.
Good job. A squeal. Hi, baby Evelyn. I see you. No, that's not how we talk to Dad. Say, please go get my toy. Please go get my toy. What? Are you climbing on me? Say ABCs. What comes next?
B.
Sing, are you sleeping?
Yeah.
Sing, are you sleeping?
Are you sleeping? Oh, John!
Brother John, Brother John. Sing there.
Morning again, morning again.
Alright, sing the whole thing again. Are you sleeping? Are you sleeping? Brother John, Brother John. Morning bells are ringing.